Oh, hi.
Hey, Louie, it's Amanda here to save
hi.
the day with your hydration needs and your water problem that you're having.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
You mind if we come in and
Come
just
on
do a
in.
little bit of research here and find out what you got going on?
Okay.
So I know your main concern was you said you had low water pressure in your home.
Yeah, I think my house is about 70 or 80 years old, and you know, I think I have bad water and stuff like that. I've been watching your videos, and so.
Oh, right,
and
cool.
so I'm really interested in.
You want to take me in the bathroom and show me like the water pressure, and also do we have any like scum buildup? And have you ever had your water checked?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Yeah, I did bring my kit so we can check that today too. A little bit of scum there. No red spots. I don't see any red spots, which is good.
And then, like my
water pressure. And have you noticed the water pressure is like getting less and less?
Well, it's like it's not very good. Because I've been living here about 6 years, and it's like gotten really bad.
So there's definitely some soap scum down here. So what happens is over time all the calcium will basically bake on there and it'll dry, and then it'll get mildewy looking, and that's scum buildup. And so that's just an indication of really, really hard water.
Okay.
Also, a lot of people will say that their hair feels kind of like dry.
Oh, yeah.
You notice that too?
Yes.
Yeah, and typically skin issues, red spots here and there from just extra hard minerals in your skin.
Jeez, yes.
Okay, let's go in the kitchen.
Okay.
You have when you do your cleaning of your utensils and your glassware, do you notice any white calcium spots on anything?
Everything looks like bad. So anyway, this is my dishwasher, and you can see like all that stuff builds up, and
calcium,
you know,
for sure.
my
Hard
sinks
water.
and stuff, and this is kind of the same thing. It's that much.
When a lot of people don't realize
then,
that the calcium will build up in the pipes.
And like my dishes.
Oh yeah.
I always like that.
Okay. Well.
But,
what about when you do your laundry? Do you notice any like yellowing of your clothes at all?
Well, that's why I wear black.
Oh.
Yes, they're not very clean looking. They're kind of yellowish, like you say. The whites are yellowish. So.
Okay, cool. Well, let me do some testing of your water here. I've got my sample kit, and then I will go outside as well and take a look at what you have out there where we can hook up our unit.
Thanks.
So we're going to be checking the water here with our eye dip. We're going to be checking for nitrates, hardness, chlorine, alkalinity. So we're just going to do some steps here, and we'll find out what he has. All right, let me get some water here from your sink, and we will go to town. Okay. All right. So first, we're going to check for the free chlorine. And most everybody has chlorine, unless you're on a well, because chlorine has to be put into your water in order to kill the bacteria.
I got city water, Richland water.
So you have chlorine, you have chloramines, I'm sure. You have total triohalamines, TTHMs. Okay. Yeah, well, your city's doing a good job. They have the chlorine in there. And chlorine is also really hard on your skin too, and so you'll notice like a lot of breakouts. It ages your skin too, and so that's another thing that our clients notice. So now we're going to check for arsenic, which is it's a chemical, and it can also be organic from the Earth's crust. And it's put in our water, or it's already found in there, and it causes oxidation, inflammation. It causes cancer. Out of 1 million people with cancer, they say 600 of them get it from the arsenic in the drinking water. So we're going to be checking for that as well next. And also other heavy metals. So there could be mercury and lead. Do you know what your piping system's here are made of?
It's like copper and cast iron, and it's really old. My house is like at least 80 years old.
Yeah, and so all those pipes over time too, with all the calcium, it'll create pinhole leaks in there. It'll build up in little grooves, and you'll have leaking. Have you noticed your water bill higher than normal?
Yes.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
noticing it steadily increasing or a whole bunch at once.
Well, I think it's kind of, from when I first moved here, it seemed like it's really, cheap, but now it seems like it's getting more expensive.
Yeah, it could be that. Well, definitely that's something you want to pay attention to. Okay, yeah, and we did find some heavy metals as well. Wow. Okay, well, let me conclude the rest of these tests here, Louis, and I will be getting back to you with the results here in just a second.
Okay. So my house is really old, and so my water comes in underneath my crawl space, and I'll show you that. So
yeah, because our whole house water system is fairly simple to install, and it'll take care of your home for the next 5 to 7 years, especially because it's just you showering here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so with that, it's also going to take down the calcium and the magnesium, potassium, sodium, those hard minerals that are building up everywhere, but yet you're not going to have to add salt.
Oh, okay.
It's also got great media in there that we use, so it kills the bacteria, the algae, the fungi, I call them the fungis. It kills them, and then it's just cleaning with the arsenic, pharmaceuticals, heavy metals, and other contaminants we find in the water. So yeah, take me out there and show me what you got, where we're going to have access to the piping. We strive for, no maintenance for our customers too. We really pride ourselves on that.
It's old.
Okay.
So basically the water comes in through there, and I have a hot water tank around the corner there, and so I don't even know if you can get a tank in
Oh
here.
yeah, absolutely, not a problem at all. We'll just go through the crawl space, plumber will be out. It maybe take them anywhere from 2 to 4 hours to get the job done, and you'll have clean drinking water, and you'll get rid of all that calcium and scum, and you're going to notice your clothes are going to be brighter and last longer for you too.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We also have many other products to help your house go green. So instead of using laundry soap, we have ozone water. We also have hydrogen water, which is fantastic for health issues.
Oh, okay.
So any gut stuff going on.
I have all kinds of stuff going. That's why I've been watching your videos, and so I have autoimmune disease, and so I'm kind of concerned about my water, and I know how bad it is here. So
we got you covered.
Okay.
One glass of water at a time.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead and make you up a little bit of a bid here to see what we got going on and what's
Okay.
going to cost you, and I'll get back to you in the next day or two. We'll
Okay,
get someone out
great.
here to take care of
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Louis.
it. Thanks for
Appreciate
coming
you.
out.
Yep, absolutely. It's Amanda Bobbitt here with Healthy Hydration. We just got back from a field trip to one of our customers' houses who is calling in complaining that he had dull skin that was flaking. He had his hair was kind of damaged and dry. He noticed there was a bunch of soap scum building up in his shower, and it was making him feel at unease. And then he took us over to his dishes, and he had calcium building up there. He had very low water pressure. And then he took us over to his washer and dryer, and he says, all my clothes, they seem like they're just not staying bright any longer. It seems like they're just dirty all the time. So now he wears black only because of that white. And so we toured his home, and we found out that, hey, this is gonna be the best solution for you. So this is what we're gonna be installing in his home. This is our Upscale system found at healthyhydration.com. And how it's unique and different from any other filtration system out there is that it takes your whole entire home, water, everything, and it pushes that water up and it comes back out. And why that's important for you is because any other filters out there, the water flows down. And so if you've ever seen a waterfall and the water goes in that one direction all the time, that's what happens in these filters. And so you have to change the media every 6 months to a year. But because this goes up, you don't have those tunnels per se inside there, so you don't have to change the media in here for at least 5 to 7 years, and we guarantee the media for that long. So not only that, you have 2 different types of media in here, which are going to also be killing bacteria, microbes, fungus, and then it goes through the layer here called nucleation crystallization activation. This process is able to take all those hard minerals, like the calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium, shrinks them down and binds them up. So now they're not going to be going and sticking everywhere, creating all these issues that we see in our customer having, and most people do. And so this system here, there's no backwashing, so you don't have to electricity to it. We have a 5-year warranty on the unit here, and then we have a lifetime warranty on the tank. And so you're really gonna fall in love with this. You're gonna know what it feels like to feel good. You're gonna be showering in this. You're not gonna be getting all those contaminants through your skin, to your lymphatic system. If you do not have a filter in your home, your body, your liver becomes a filter. But at what cost? We don't think about it, but our shower could be making us sick. There's all kinds of chemicals. There's 60,000 known chemicals that could be lurking in our tap water. And I don't know about you, but I sure don't want to age any quicker. I want to slow down that aging process, which is why we also can infuse your water with hydrogen, molecular hydrogen, which is the most powerful antioxidant, which helps overcome oxidative stress and inflammation in your body. So you deserve to feel what it feels like to feel good. Check out our website at healthyhydration.com. and give us a call. Let us know. We'll take your zip code. We'll actually look at your water and see which filtration system is best for you.